Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today Chef Dom is going to show you how to make shrimp cocktail. It's a very simple dish, but Dominic's got his own recipe for the cocktail sauce that is just absolutely out of this world. Anyway, let's get cooking.
Yeah, man, let's eat. I'm hungry.
What kind of shrimp are you cleaning there?
Shrimp from the ocean. These are U15s. They're Gulf shrimp from the Gulf. Very beautiful shrimp.
Oh man, they don't have any seafood smell to them at all.
Oh, not supposed to.
That's good.
I wouldn't buy it if it did.
Dominic's deveining them now. All right, shrimp's ready.
They're clean. They're not ready. Yeah. Unless you want sushi.
No. No, raw shrimp? No, I'll pass.
All right, we're going to do homemade shrimp cocktail sauce. That store-bought stuff is crap.
Oh, yeah.
I got some Heinz ketchup, some extra hot horseradish, right up my alley, fresh lemon, and Worcestershire.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, man, that's
you know,
easy.
I used to make mine hotter for myself, and I put some blackening seasoning in it, too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
I bet you that's good.
Yeah. Okay. We start out with some ketchup.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Okay. Got a horseradish here. We'll put that much in first, and then we'll see.
Test it out.
I think personally it needs more. A little Worcestershire.
Nice.
That's that small thing. That should do it.
You think that's it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of lemon juice, right? Yeah. Lemons are nice and juicy.
Sure. We would have never got it in that bowl.
Oh, I know. Nice. So we let this chill for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, you put it in the refrigerator and give it a try. See if it needs more horseradish.
What do you think?
Needs more.
Is it?
This is extra hot. I don't think so.
So simple, so easy to make.
Yeah, it's easy to make.
How is it now?
It's good, but this is not, I mean, this is extra hot.
Let me see.
Yeah, it says extra hot, but I don't even taste it.
I got to give it a chance to meld in there, you guess.
Yeah, right. Let me give you a spoon of it.
Let me get a spoon.
That's good. Try it.
Let me try it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, really? That's perfect. All right. You let this chill.
Me, I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to eat this on the side.
Okay.
For a little more. I love it. Hot.
All right.
All right, we're going to wait for our water to boil, and then we're going to put our shrimp in there. But in the meantime, I'm going to put a little fresh lemon in the water.
Oh, yeah.
Drop the whole lemon in there.
Perfecto. Yeah. Let that boil. We'll be back.
All right, we got our shrimp here for shrimp cocktail. We'll let that cook for a few minutes. Don't overcook your shrimp.
No.
Oh man, beautiful shrimp. Sushi? Sukiyaki?
Alright. Nice looking.
Babies. Check it out. Woo, baby.
It's always good to test it before you pull them out of the water. How much longer?
I'm so hungry I'll eat them raw. Another minute.
Alright. You ready?
I think so, man.
Alright. Go ahead and drain those. You're good to go. Now we're going to chill that.
Drop them right in the ice bath.
Nice.
Baby.
Look at that. That is so appetizing, man. Alright,
Let them stay in there and get cold.
And we'll be ready to eat. Alright, shrimp is ready, nice and chilled. We got our cocktail sauce over here,
Oh,
Chef
man.
Dom's creation. And we're gonna go ahead and fill up this little fancy bowl right here. Some left over for Dom to take home. Okay, now I'm gonna take our shrimp and just go ahead and dress the rim of this fancy cup here, the goblet. Shrimp scamp. I mean, shrimp scamp. Shrimp cocktail is always a nice favorite appetizer.
And please don't buy shrimp cocktail from the stores already made.
No, it's stuff is
Oh
nasty.
my God, it's disgusting.
Oh,
I mean, you don't have to get this fancy, but you know, it's a quick. You know, you can buy the shrimp frozen, already peeled and deveined, and just defrost them and drop them in the water.
And that's it. Oh, look at that! Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, very pretty. Just hurry up, I'm hungry.
He's not kidding, folks. Between him and my wife, they're ready to chew my arm off. Oh yeah, look at that. How many people you said this would feed, Dom?
2. You're laughing.
No, I
You
know
can
it's
finish
2.
all of that.
Oh, I'm sure. Without a doubt.
It's only about 20 shrimp each, maybe.
All right.
But we'll share.
Yeah. We'll have to.
Looks good.
All right. Let me get a little parsley. A little Italian parsley. Nice. Now we have our lemon wedges here for folks that would like extra lemon. Oh, that looks great, huh?
Very nice.
All right. All right. Ready to go. All right. Let's eat.
Yum, yum.
All right. Me and Dominic are going to dust off this shrimp cocktail all by ourselves.
Oh, easy.
Not
Are
really.
you kidding me? Yeah, who you
We
kidding?
have camera shy folks in the house.
I'm gonna...
All right. Let's give it the old taste test.
Mangia. Me, I'm gonna make mine a little spicier.
Oh, man.
That good?
Very good. Wow.
The problem is, once you start eating them, you can't stop.
No. That's the truth. You know? Anyway, you got to use good quality shrimp. You know, we always say that. You know, it makes a big difference in all your recipes. If it smells like fish, you don't want to buy it.
You don't eat it. You don't want to use it. Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna dig into the shrimp cocktail. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because next week Chef Dom's gonna show you how to make pan-seared scallops served with a pesto sauce with pasta.
I am?
Yes. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks.
Take care, guys. See you soon.